guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I'm going to review my second DCK family of great tools and products. As you know from my most recent DCK hammer drill, it works great. Just got this in the mail the other day, and this is a DCK car polisher and buffer. I've had a few of these in my life too, and they really work great when it comes to the maintenance and appearance of your vehicle. Polishing and buffing the finish of your car is essential for maintaining the cosmetic appearance of your vehicle. And these things make it so much easier. No more wax on, wax off kind of thing. Just plug this into the wall, and you put the wax on there, you buff it, and then you take it off with the terry cloth circular pad on there. So let's unbox this right now and see what it looks like. All right, so in the box, instructions. I think I can figure it out without instructions. And this is a big one. Look at the size of this thing, huh? This is no joke. This is no cheapo. So this is the tool itself, the polisher, if you will. This is your shearling or sheepskin buffer. This is to take off the wax and to polish the finish after you're done with the application of wax or any other solvents that help you clean and polish your surface. Here is the applicator pad. You would moisten this with water and put your favorite wax on here or cleaner, and that's how it gets out the dirt and grime off your car finish so that it makes it nice and clean, and then wax it and then polish it off. So that's that applicator here. Got a handle here which I need to install, as well as another side handle, and it includes a couple of hex bolts as well as an Allen key or hex tool. You have a second applicator here for you to use, and that's it. I'm going to try to put this together without reading the instructions. So as you saw, you have a choice actually. I thought you could use both, but you have a choice of having this surrounding type of handle where you can grip side up top. I think I like that better. I use my left dominant hand to push down on it so that this part is free. Or you could choose to use this one ambidextrally, meaning you could use your left hand or your right hand. So let's put on one of the buffer pads. When you're first starting out, you want to use an applicator pad. And it looks like it's so easy that you could just twist it on like this. This is a 12 amp, 7-inch polisher. The sponges are 7 inches as well as the buffer pad. Just we'll plug it into my wall socket. So I just plugged it in. Let's give her a try. There's a dial here for the amount of RPMs, ranging between 600 to as fast as 3,500. So you can select this speed control on the dial. There's also a button here where you press first for a safety and then trigger it. So it's variable speed, which is really good. If you pull the trigger lightly, it goes slow. Then when you press it more, it increases the speed the way you want it, whether slow or high speed, and you could also control the RPMs here, all with your trigger finger. So it's variable speed, which is very good. You have a lot of control over the buffer. So I'm gonna test my front fender here. I'm gonna use my favorite speed wax here and just spray it on the fender, all right? So you don't need a tool. There's a button here where you press it and it locks it so that you can take off the pad. So no tool is needed. All you have to do is press the lock button so it locks the motor in place so you can remove the pad. That's very convenient. Now let's put the sheepskin shearling buffer pad on. So here we have the buffer pad. It goes on clockwise, comes off counterclockwise. Press the button to lock it, and now you can tighten it. Perfect. Now let's buff it out. Holy cow, look at that shine. You could see yourself in it. It's like a mirror. So I only did this fender. You can see the reflection. Didn't do it. Did it. Didn't do it. Polished. Much different, huh? So I want to show you something else. Over here in the rear, I've got a yucky scratch on my rear fender. Let's try to get this scratch out with the buffer, huh? That's a pretty ugly scratch. Okay, can you guys see that well here? The scratch? Right here. You see that? Yeah, that's the best way I can get you to see it. Anyway, so I have a little bit of rubbing compound here. I'm going to take some rubbing compound and just touch it onto the pad. I should use a buffer or something like that. You know what? I'm just going to use my hands. Put it on the pad. Some rubbing compound. And we're going to put the rubbing compound onto the scratch, okay? Like that. I'm going to buff it out. Wow, look at that. It's hardly noticeable. It's so soft. Some of the shearling stuff came off. So let's spray some more slick mist wax on here, speed wax. And we're going to go over it again. Can't even see it anymore. Amazing. So there you go, guys. This is the DCK 7-inch polisher. If you want to detail and polish your car, usually that takes a day. You can do this in a fraction of the time when you have this polisher. As you saw, it even really diminished deep scratches in your fender. Very happy with this. You guys can go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.